So I'm going to read out a poem by young transgender person Disha Pinky Shea. She's a Maharashtrian and she's well known. One of my favorite poets, I would say. And I'll read it in Marathi and share the essence of it. मी तू मी जोवरी करकटी तुझे तोवरी पाहणे दृष्टी दे अंतरी भेट घडो उराउरी वेढला वेढ्यात जसा तू गाभारी मीही तशीच पाशात संसारी भाव भाकरीने उभे केले तुला विटेवरी आणि भाकरीने केले मला उभे बाजारी. What she's trying to say, she's talking to Vitthal because we all know there was this Wari happened just now. So she's trying to say that God, you're standing there for bhakri, for rosy roti, and what I am doing in the market asking, begging, that is my traditional job. That is also for the same reason, for my rosy roti. किती लांब ही अनंताची वारी जन्मापासून चालते मी सरकले ना तसूभरी तूही निघ ये थोडा वाटेवरी भेटू आपण मध्येच कुठेतरी. I will stop here. She's requesting God or Vitthal that from my birth I am stuck here. Like you are stuck on that one brick, standing, folding your hands on your waist. So I request you move forward. We'll meet somewhere midway. I think.